Hi there, I'm Mark from High Rise Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 essential plugins that you need on your WordPress website. Number 1, WordPress SEO from Yoast. This is a great plugin which gives you lots of options to control the SEO factors of your website. For example, page titles and metadata. Essential for every WordPress site. I really recommend you should be running it. 2, insert headers and footers. This allows you to add scripts into the headers and footers of your site. For example, if you want to be using Google Analytics, then you need to be able to add their tracking code to your site. This plugin easily allows you to do that. 3, Advanced Custom Fields Pro. This is a superb plugin that allows you to customize the edit screens in WordPress to meet your needs better. All of this is done without a single line of code, and you can do it using the user interface provided. A real recommended plugin if you need customizations in the admin screens. 4, disable comments. If you're running a site that doesn't need comments, I recommend adding the disable comments plugin. It cleans things up and makes things much faster. 5, Rocket Lazy Loading plugin. This means that your images and other assets are lazy loaded. That means they're only loaded by your browser when they're inside the browser window. This saves time, speeds up your website, and improves the visitor experience.